Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add functions on Google Sheets. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add functions in Google Sheets. The first thing you need to do is to go to Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet, or it's either you create a new spreadsheet or you open an existing one. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this spreadsheet over here. Then the next thing that you might want to do is to okay, so I'm just gonna have to deselect all of that, so everything's gonna be fine. So back to it, sorry for that. The next thing to do is to click on the cell where you want to insert the function, and this will be the location where the result of the function will appear. So I'm just going to click on that. That cell is N2. So to start writing the function, you're going to have to type an equal sign in the cell, and after the equal sign, you start writing the function you want to use. So we're going to start with the equal sign. So you have to choose or type the function. Google Sheets supports a wide variety of built-in functions. So you can either type the function manually, that's either you use equals sum or equals average or etc., or you can use the function menu. That's click on the Insert tab in the menu bar, select Function from the drop-down list, and choose the desired function from the list, such as sum, average, max, min, or however you want to. So after entering the function name, add the parameters. So for example, let's say I want to use sum. So I'm just going to use, once you use that equal sign, so once you use the equal sign, then you can now enter that. So that's sum, and after sum, the next thing you want to do is to click on the bracket, and of course you're going to have to enter the name. So add the parameters. That's a range of cells that you want the function will operate on. So in this sense, it's going to be N. So this is N2 because I'm currently in N2, and once you do that, you give a space and column, and let's say N5. Okay, or let's not use N, let's use A rather. So this should be A1 and column and A5. So once you do that, go ahead and close your brackets and press enter. Once you press enter, you see that it has been summed. So A1 and A5 has been summed to give you 17. So that's pretty much it. So this is of the values in cells A1 and A5, and that's it. So once you've entered the function and its parameters, go ahead and press enter on your keyboard, and Google Sheets will now display the result of the function in the selected cell. Then you can use an option such as autofill. That's the autofill function, which is definitely optional. So if you want to apply the same function to other rows or columns, hover over to the bottom right corner of the cell, and once you do that, once you hover over, you're going to see a small blue square which is there. So go ahead and click and drag it down or across to autofill the function for other cells. So it's not a small blue square, but it's the small blue icon. So just go ahead and drag it down and move it that you drag it down, and once you drag it down, it just autofills for others. Now I'm not working with figures here, that's why this whole thing is not really working, but if you want to autofill, just do that. Then you can also edit or modify the function if needed. So if you need to edit the function, click on the cell containing the function and modify the formula in the formula bar, which is at the top of the screen, so you can edit and modify it from there. Examples of common functions include the sum, that equals sum, and average equals average, then count equals count, then if equals if, and just parentheses, just follow the same step, equals sum, open parentheses, select the cells, the range of cells, close it, and it's just going to give you the result, and that's just it. So by following the steps, you can successfully add and use functions in Google Sheets. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.